So SPF America is a precision metal manufacturer specializing in the manufacture of copper bus bars, basically large-scale electrical conductors for use in energy equipment. We've been around here in Fort Smith since 1977 and have had progressive growth all throughout the years. We have a great relationship with the Peak Innovation Center. We've been through a couple of the draft days, and we've hired a handful of students here, and most of them turned out to be a great success. We've trained them to run very expensive CNC equipment, constantly upskilling and working with the CED through other training programs, and it's been a great overall thing for not only us but for the employees as well. If we can come through the WATC program to find employees, we know they're already engaged. They've already had some exposure to the type of machinery we operate in our facilities. They're engaged, they're willing to learn, and that's really what we're looking for. We're very open to any expense required to help upskill our employees, but being able to come and get them from the WATC program really helps to get the foundation for us. The WATC program has been great, not only for us, but the community here. It's pretty powerful to have a facility like the Peak Innovation Center just 2 miles down the road from us with all the equipment here. The WATC programs with all the students out here has been truly impactful to our business.